everyone, we are here at the Globe School today for conducting SSAT exam. And guess what? We are here to show super cool Vedic max tricks. So come with me to show you how the experience goes.
Hi, I am Lalita, principal of the Globe School, and here I am working here since last 5 years, and here our chairman sir Mr. B.V. Rao Garu and our correspondent madam Mrs. Anuradha madam, they have given a great opportunity for me for going ahead with the best education system here. We are really glad that SSAT means Shishya Scholarship Aptitude Test they conducted here, and Mr. Ramakrishna Garu, he was a great man with a great vision. So already our school have started the IIT program since last year from grade 6 onwards till intermediate. Even this helps a lot for us.
Yes, ma'am. So talking about the student-centric approach, what is the teaching methodology which the Globe School teachers follow?
So in mathematics, they just relate it to the practical life also, where they use that particular concepts or anything. The student can easily identify it and go through it very easily.
Okay. So what we have noticed is that nowadays students are having a very short concentration span. So how do you come across this? How do you face this challenge, ma'am?
Means it's like not like only 24/7. It's not only in the classroom they go ahead with the teaching and learning method. It is, we have digital classrooms also in our school. So our teachers will take them to the digital classes, and we have 1 acre of playground there. Our teachers will take them at once. Means for a change of atmosphere and all, they take them there so that the children feel a bit interesting regarding that. And not only the studies, it's we have a karate, skating, dance, yoga, different activities. So whenever they are down in their academics, they think they are not much interested, they'll opt for the other one.
Okay, so when you talk about digital classroom, you know that artificial intelligence is the new trend nowadays. So do you think this would be useful in the child's studies?
Definitely, definitely. Why? Because for the we have to make the children equipped with all the possibilities of AI and the coding, so that they have to get prepared for the future generations.
So shall the school start implementing like starting coding robotics classes right from a younger age, ma'am? What do you think about it?
It's really great if we start from the younger age. Accordingly, we have to equip the campus also with all the requirements, whatever required, and accordingly we have to go ahead with that, so that it's really a great opportunity for the children and for the school also to implement it.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి చాలా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు తక్కువ మంది అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారు అనమాట. ఆ రీజన్ మీద శిష్య క్లాస్ ఏం చేశారు అంటే, సో పవర్డ్ బై తో మనం ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్ స్కూల్ లెవెల్లో ఒలింపియాడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేవి కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ 1 అవర్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు 11 అవుతుంది కదా, 11 కి స్టార్ట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది మీరు ఎగ్జామ్. సో 12 o'clock కల్లా ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ 1 అవర్ లో మీరు ఏంటి అంటే కరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కి మాత్రమే ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఎవరైతే సెలెక్ట్ అవుతారో వాళ్ళకి మన శిష్య క్లాస్ నుంచి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఒలింపియాడ్
Once again, good morning everyone. Now, tell me, if I ask you all, what is 53 into 11? How much time you all going to take? 8, 5 and 3.
What would be the answer of this? 10 numbers are there. So what's the fifth number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 not 4? And what we have to write here? 5. This is the answer.
But he is not able to move that particular box. Why? Because on microscopic level you are seeing these sawtooths and valleys. Obviously, we are seeing it at microscopic level. So this time the friction acts. This is called static friction.